I felt like I was stuck in a maze. The new 2026 update made finding the block list a total nightmare. It took me 2 whole days to reach this spot. I know you're looking for this exact thing too. But after the new 2026 update, the options changed so much that it is almost impossible for normal people to find. I finally found the hidden settings after a lot of searching. Today, I will show you directly how to do this without any trouble. Watch my phone screen very carefully. First, pick up your phone. Before opening the Facebook app, check the Play Store or App Store to see if your app is updated. This is because these settings are in a different place in older versions. Now open the app. Make sure you are on your main profile, not a page or another account. Come to the home screen and pull down to refresh the news feed so all settings load properly. Now tap the menu button or your profile icon at the top left or bottom right for some phones. Facebook layouts look different on different phones now, but do not miss the menu icon. Once you enter here, you will see a mess of options like Reels, Memories or Games. Do not touch those. You will see a small gear or settings icon in the top right corner. Give that a light tap. Wait a second. I am from the Phone Transformer channel. My job is to make these hidden phone settings easy for you. If you feel this video is saving your time, you can hit the subscribe button below once. No pressure, only do it if you like my work. Giving a like on the video really encourages me. Now let's enter the main settings maze. We are now inside the settings. Many people make a mistake here. You have to scroll all the way to the bottom. You will see a large section called Settings and Privacy. Clicking that will bring out another option named Settings from inside. Facebook divided this layout into several layers so no one can enter easily. I first thought clicking once was enough, but no. Click this second settings option again. This part is the most important. You have to find a specific box called Audience and Visibility here. Do not stop at profile details, how people find you, or post settings while scrolling down. Keep scrolling until you find that specific audience and visibility heading. Facebook purposefully hid this in such a deep corner that normal users give up from here. But we will not give up. Look toward the bottom of the audience and visibility section. You will find the list for blocking or blocked people. After clicking that, the list you wanted will appear in front of you. Every person you ever blocked on Facebook will be shown here in a list. If your list is very long, it might take a moment. Check the names here to be sure who you actually want to unblock. Check the list from top to bottom once. Now for the real work of unblocking, press the unblock button next to the name of the person you want to free. A warning or pop-up message will appear on your screen immediately. It clearly says that once you unblock, you cannot block them again for the next 48 hours. That means it takes 2 days to stop them again. If you are sure, tap the unblock text again. See, that name vanished from your list like magic. Done. Now that person can see your profile again if they want. But remember one thing, unblocking does not mean they became your friend again. You have to send a new friend request if you want to connect with them again. I felt relieved finding this hidden setting. Let me know in the comments if it worked on your phone. If you face trouble with any other app, write that too. I am leaving from Phone Transformer. Stay well.